Either way, the gloves are about to come off as we head to dinner at the mother of all food courts, Legacy Hall. Now, it may be in the middle of one of the bougiest shopping districts in all of DFW, but inside you'll find multiple floors of authentic cuisine that's anything but pretentious. Oh, yes! I love this place because it is like an indoor food truck park, and I am hungry. There are over 20 different restaurants and bars, plus a live music venue. But I'm gonna need some help deciding what to have for dinner from owner Randy DeWitt.
Thank you. We're not just a food hall here, we brew our own beer.
Cheers to that. Cheers. Thank you. Hey, will you show me around?
I can't wait, let's do it. So what are you hungry for? Anything you could want, we probably have it.
Well, let's grab an appetizer. What do you recommend?
Well, I love barbecue.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that. I'm a sucker for smoke. This is Dry Rub, craft barbecue that ain't afraid of a little queso. This is awesome. I mean, I remember the shopping mall food courts of my youth. This is a totally different thing.
That's why we call it a food hall. Our big idea is to give, the little guy, the startups, the chef with a new idea, a playground where they can come in and do something different and unique. All of our operators that have food stalls here are local independent operators. There's no chains here.
Randy is a serial restaurateur who understands well the struggle of the little guy.
If it catches on and it wants to grow and leave this food hall, that's awesome. It's almost like we're an incubator for new restaurant concepts.
You got to get really good at sort of watching birds fly out of the nest and go and do their thing.
But it's fun. It's like a little bit like being a parent and watching your children grow up.
And some of these have, while others are just beginning to hatch. Now, we started this meal right, but it's time for the main course. Oh my gosh, this is harder than I thought. We have Asian food like ramen, we got pizza and Italian right here. Look at those pies. Oh, but that right there, duck fat fried chicken. That's where I'm starting. This is Roots Chicken Shack, started by Top Chef alum Tiffany Derry. I like this. We're fixin' to cook and you're fixin' to chow. That's a Texas word right there, fixin' to. Oh my gosh. One is like the crispiest fried chicken ever, but the batter itself is straight magic. Woo, so good. I think they call that Southern love. We got a lot of ground to cover. Moving on. And what goes well with fried chicken? Lobster, obviously. Time to dock local. All right, we don't see this in Texas very often. Connecticut lobster roll, lobster bisque. That is so decadent. I think the first time on Daytripper, I can't talk because I got a mouthful of lobster. Ooh, dessert. We gone southern, New England, now on to Belgium, a la Press Waffle Co. Until you've had one of these, you have not had an actual Belgian waffle. This is on another level. Doughy with these big chunks of sugar. I don't care how much you've eaten, there's always room for one of these at the end of a meal. Daniel, what'd you get? Waffle, what'd you have?
Bourbon vanilla ice cream.
Oh, hey, man, thank you.
Chet, you have a problem.
Huh?
Nothing. Nothing.
I love having friends who share. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.